looking at a piece of bark for building a canoe or baskets or whatever, what you're looking for is, if you can see these things over here, these growths on here, you're not going to make a good quality piece of bark for a canoe or for a basket. But there may be pieces on here that we can use for side panels or whatever. So I'm looking at this piece, and it's got a bit of a crook to it. But when you're using it for a side panel on the canoe, that's probably not going to make too much of a difference because it's a smaller piece. And so when making my cut, what I want to do is, I know that their growth starts about here, and I might be able to get the bark all the way down to here. Because it's curved like this, you know, I probably want to cut it on that side. But what I want to do is test it first. So I'm going to grab my knife, and I'm going to cut it down. And I'm going to open it up just a little bit. And you see how it's not really separating apart. This will be good bark for a side panel, for a basket, for something. So you see this outer, it looks rough on the outside, but it's going to be nice and smooth on the inside. And these mosquitoes can carry a person away. So always do a head count before you go and when you get back. So the top part of the bark, so you see the lines in here. So that's telling me that this probably won't be good for the canoe, but it's perfect for baskets and other things. So now, that's the bark there. And again, you see these, like I said, probably not Good for the canoe, but good for baskets.